Alright guys, now that you got to see how bad this frame really was after sandblast, actually it was a lot worse than what we thought it was going to be. We knew it had rust, that was apparent. But when they blasted it all down to white metal, we really saw the bolts were rusted too. So we pulled some out and the shanks were both rusted. So we went ahead and replaced over 100 of the frame bolts in this, also the nuts, the washers, everything, just to ensure that this customer safely go down the road. Hours, days of filling these frame rails with Duraglass and then body filler. I mean, we saw one thing when it came in, had a lot of paint on it, a lot of film build, but then when we got it taken down, this might be one of the worst frames that we've seen. So it took a lot of work to get it to this point. So replaced all the bolts, we blasted it, we etch coated it, we Duraglassed it, we body filled it, we OSFO'd the inside of the frames, every nook and cranny that we could, just to make sure we got it all. Then we neutralized that. Now we're gonna get this thing in epoxy primer and get it top coated.
You cannot feel this energy.
Drop.
Energy. You cannot feel this energy. Energy.